this is Tina Verelli and I wanted to take you on a tour of my kitchen. So as you can see, I'm a leave appliances out on your countertop kind of gal. So here is my countertop oven. Excuse all the crumbs inside, that gets a lot of use. And this is my blender. This is the KitchenAid 1.5 horsepower K400. We use this all the time. It was just making smoothies at lunchtime. This is my siphon coffee brewer, where we grind coffee beans and make fresh coffee in here every day. Love that. And then over here is one of my mixers. This is my Artisan Mixer. So because I demonstrate mixers on QVC, KitchenAid has loaned me one of each model that I demonstrate so that I can be familiar with them and use them a lot and practice and see what recipes work well in each one. And I always at home, I try to work everything from behind since that's how I demonstrate on TV. So at home, you might use your mixer this way, but I always practice anything that's possible to work from behind. Here we have the mini, and this is the 4.5 quart. And this is the Pro 600, and sometimes I decorate these. Right now I have twinkle lights in them. At holiday time, I had fresh gingerbread cookies hanging on them and a wreath up here with more gingerbread cookies. And then down in here is where I keep some of my accessories and attachments. So these are the other two mixers. This is actually the 7 quart, and this one's candy apple red. So pretty. Looks like a race car. And then over here is this cute guy. So this is my Model 3C. A friend picked it up for me at a tag sale, and I love it. Works perfectly, and I even plug attachments there into the power hub. I need to get back to my pasta dough, see if it's ready to roll out. I hope you all are doing so well at home. The sun is out today and it really feels awesome, and I'm so grateful I was able to get out for a walk earlier today. So I hope you have something yummy planned for dinner, and I'll see you soon. Thank you, bye-bye.